Want to master the tech world? Perfect Technology has got you covered. At Perfect Technology, we offer a comprehensive range of courses designed to equip you with the skills you need to thrive in today's digital world. Whether you're starting from scratch or specializing in a specific field, we've got the right program for you. From computer basics and IT support to advanced programming and software development, we cover it all. Dive into database management and networking to become a data and network wizard, or step up your game with cybersecurity and protect digital environments from threats. Feel the creative spark with graphic design and multimedia, or harness the power of online marketing with our digital marketing courses. Ready to lead? Our business and online entrepreneurship program has got you. Why choose Perfect Technology? Flexible learning schedules, real-world projects, certified expert instructors, and affordable courses with payment plan options. Join our training programs today and unlock your tech potential. Sign up now at Perfect Technology and take the first step towards a successful career in